అందరికీ శుభోదయం. గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ టు ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ. వెల్కమ్ టు లీగల్ మ్యాటర్స్ బై సాయిబాబు సుక్కర్. Jammu and Kashmir High Court judgment on loss of property and repudiation of a claim by the insurance company. In the law of torts or in the Consumer Protection Act, we will be discussing about the deficiency of service. In the first part, you will think that it is a deficiency of service, but the High Court upheld that no, it's not a deficiency of service. The important point in this case is whether voluntary entrustment of gold jewelry amounts to theft or misappropriation. Voluntary entrustment, very, very important word. It's only entrustment, it comes under breach of trust or misappropriation, but not theft. Even though literally it comes under theft, it falls under the exclusionary clause of the insurance company. So insurance company did not pay anything. Ultimately, this is the judgment. Honorable Justice Sanjeev Kumar and Sanjay Parihar, Jammu and Kashmir High Court, in the case of Bajaj Allianz General Insurance Company versus Messrs. Messrs. Hollywood Ornaments, located in that is Hari Singh High Street, Srinagar. FAO number 8/2024. On 24/12/2025, Honorable High Court set aside the order of the State Commission or State Consumers Disputes Redressal Commission, SCDRC. What happened? Let us better know. The court held that the voluntary entrustment of the gold jewelry, it amounts to entrustment but not theft. Therefore, insurance company need not pay. Right. So, going to the facts of the case. Hari Singh High Street, Hollywood Ornaments is located. They are doing business in jewelers manufacturing, jewelers trading, all these things. They have taken a policy that is comprehensive protection policy from Bajaj Allianz Insurance Company and is valid from 16/12/2018, 16/2/2018 to 15/2/2019. And what happened is on 6/7/2018, two foreign nationals who are previous customers, who are known people to the so-called ornaments for Hollywood Ornaments Limited, they came there. They have replaced, they were given the so-called two gold ornaments. Incidentally, they took away the original ones and replaced them with artificial ones. Foreigners. అట్లాంటి వాళ్ళు కూడా ఉంటారు. సో చూస్తామని తీసుకెళ్లారు. ఆల్రెడీ వాళ్ళు అంటే అందుకనే ప్రీవియస్ కస్టమర్స్ అని చెప్పారు. గతంలో ఇది చూసుకుని ఆ మోడల్ తీసుకొచ్చి దీనిలో పెట్టేసి ఒరిజినల్ గోల్డ్ ఎత్తుకుపోయారు. Immediately, he has informed the police. FIR was registered in crime number 115/2018 because it's a comprehensive policy. Immediately, he informed the so-called insurance company also. Insurance company deputed their surveyor who came on the very next day. And ultimately, after 1 week or so, they have sent a reply stating that they are not going to pay anything. Because, why? It's important. Loss is not occurred by forcible entry. It may amount to cheating, but it is not theft. We are not going to pay anything. The comprehensive insurance clearly says if there is any theft of property by forcible entry, ఏదన్నా ఉంటే yes, definitely they will give the comprehensive insurance. ఇక్కడ థెఫ్ట్ కాదే, వాళ్ళే వచ్చారు, మీరు వాళ్ళకి ఆర్నమెంట్స్ ఇచ్చారు, వాడేదో చీటింగ్ చేశాడు, దానికి ఇన్ వాట్ వే ఇన్సూరెన్స్ కంపెనీ ఇస్ లయబుల్ అని అంటే సో దే హ్యావ్ నాట్ అగ్రీడ్. అల్టిమేట్లీ దీస్ పీపుల్ Hollywood ornaments, they approached the state SCDRC, State Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission. The commission, after inquiring both parties, even after subjecting cross-examination also, they held that there is a deficiency in the service. What for insurance is made? To indemnify any loss. Here, these people came under the guise of customers. They have replaced with artificial jewelry. Immediately the matter was reported to the police, and this man sustained a loss of about 60 lakhs, 51.66 lakhs. You have to shell down the money. Any insurance company ki deficiency of service in Katamana. Against this, now they approach the High Court. Ikkada asal point. Interpretation between theft and misappropriation. What is theft? Very, very important. So here, ఎందుకని ఇన్సూరెన్స్ కంపెనీలో జాగ్రత్తగా చూడాలి. అందుకని గోపాల సినిమా ఎప్పుడు మనకు గుర్తొస్తుంది, యాక్ట్ ఆఫ్ గాడ్లో. డెఫినెట్లీ, ఈవెన్ దో దే కవర్ సో మెనీ థింగ్స్, ద ఎక్స్క్లూషన్ క్లాజెస్ విల్ బి దేర్. If your claim falls under the exclusionary clause, no insurance amount will be given and no indemnification. ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే the insurances definitely will be given if there is any barged entry, theft, if any forcible entry. When there is no forcible entry, when there is no taking away even by force, it is not theft. After all, what they have done, they are your own customers. You have given them the property. It is your duty to check up whether it is given back or not. If they don't give back, it is not our botheration. He has cheated you. Cheating will not be covered in this. Anjapanar. So definitely the court agreed that it may amount to misappropriation. Of course, technically, as a retired police officer, I can say it is also theft. But basically, it is entrustment. So entrustment will amount to breach of trust or misappropriation. You have to collect from those foreign nationals, not the insurance company. So insurance company's reputation under clause 11C of the general exclusion is 100% correct. Paisa kattakali pomana. So idi katha. Chuttanikemo manaki ayyo loss ayinde. Even the state consumer disputes, yes, there is a loss, you have to indemnify in High Court too. With the advent of jurisprudence, there is the importance of the jurisprudence and interpretation. They have clearly held that insurance company need not pay anything. మామూలుగా చూడటానికి వినటానికి కూడా మీకు కొంచెం ఇబ్బందిగా అలాగొచ్చును, కానీ దిస్ ఈస్ ద జడ్జ్మెంట్. యూ హ్యావ్ టు క్లోజ్లీ మానిటర్ సబ్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ జడ్జ్మెంట్స్. ఏ పాయింట్లో పట్టుకుని ఎలా చెప్పారని చాలా ముఖ్యమైనది. అందుకనే ప్లీజ్ రీడ్ ద జడ్జ్మెంట్ అండ్ enrich your legal knowledge. ఐఎమ్ స్టాపింగ్ హియర్. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్.